Ndewo. Welcome to the Igbo Teacher. This is a YouTube channel designed for learning Igbo language. Afambo Edna. So if learning Igbo is your thing, sit back, let's dive straight in. The Kaimara, as we know, we have different kinds of or different means of transportation. So today we are going to learn what they call them in Igbo language. Let's begin. Kanyi bido. Ụgbọ elu. Ụgbọ elu. Airplane, aeroplane, jets, helicopter. All these are called ụgbọ elu in Igbo language. Usoro eji eme njem nke abụọ n'asụsụ Igbo. That is second means of transportation in Igbo language. Bụ is ụgbọala. Ụgbọala comprises of any type of vehicle. It could be a car, bus, any type of vehicle is called ụgbọala. Ụgbọala, because it plies on the land. That is why they call it ụgbọala. Usoro esi eme njem nke atọ. That is means of transportation. The third one bụ igwe. Igwe. You'll be seeing these spellings in so many places or in so many sentences, but they mean different things. For example, ihe ọmụmaatụ, we have igwe, the same spelling but different meaning. Igwe, king. Igwe, iron. But the igwe we are talking about is bicycle. That's another means of transportation in Igbo language. Igwe, bicycle. Nke anọ, ụgbọ mmiri. Ụgbọ mmiri could be canoe, ship, boats. All these things we call them in Igbo language ụgbọ mmiri. Anything that floats on the water, whether the biggest one, whether ship, whether canoe, whether boat. In Igbo we call it ụgbọ mmiri. Usoro esi eme njem nke ise, ọgba tumtum. Ọgba tumtum is motorbike or motorcycle. The name tumtum is coined from the sound it makes. You know, when you start a motorbike now, you hear tut, 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 tut. So in Igbo language, they derived the name from its sound. Ọgba tumtum, that is motorbike or motorcycle. The sixth one, nke isi, bụ ụgbọ okporo igwe. Ụgbọ okporo igwe is train. That means it moves on iron. Igwe is iron. It moves on iron. Ụgbọ okporo igwe. That is rail. Nke asaa, the seventh one, bụ ịnyịnya ibu. Ịnyịnya ibu is camel. Camel is a means of transportation. It takes people from one place to another. Camel. Nke asatọ bụ ịnyịnya. Ịnyịnya. Remember the number 7 is ịnyịnya ibu. Number 8 is ịnyịnya. Nke asatọ ịnyịnya. The difference between these two, ịnyịnya is horse, is a means of transportation. The difference between these two is that one is ịnyịnya ibu, that is camel. Camel mostly carry loads, while horse is meant for carrying human being. Then camel is for carrying loads. Ụzọ esi eme njem nke ite naanị ụkwụ. Ụkwụ, yes, our foot is another means of transportation. Yes, you can use your foot to go to nearby places. In the olden days, people can trek distance, but these days it's no longer like that. Ụzọ esi eme njem nke iri bụ nke a na-akpọ gwongworo. Gwongworo in Igbo language. Gwongworo is what? Trailer. Yes, we call it gwongworo in Igbo language. Gwongworo. Trailer. The 11th one is ụgbọ ụkwụ atọ. Ụgbọ ụkwụ atọ. This is the one we call bicycle, popularly known as keke. Keke napep. Yes, that's the last one. That brings us to the end of today's video. If you have been coming across this channel without liking, if you have been watching without subscribing, yes, I'm talking to you. Or you'll be watching without commenting or liking our videos, I urge you to kindly do so. Smash the like button, smash the subscription button, so that you will always get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you in my next video. Kode.